Hello everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Manskin channel. And today's video po is I made a sweet rice with, we call that pulot in Tagalog. So, I don't know how to call that in English, but it's a brown sugar with coconut milk. So, I hope you like the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you very much in advance. Here's the video. So, I'm going to wash the sweet rice. Ayan. Malagkit po. Mga dalawang taka lang po ito kasi ako lang mag-isa. I cook just 2 cups because just me only eating this one. So I just miss this delicacy, Filipino delicacy. I was craving for it, so I'm going to make it today. Ayan, so I'm just washing them just to, make sure it's clean. Then, after that, I'm going to put dry more, yeah. So I want really dry after I wash it. And of course, I'm going to put 2 cups of coconut milk. Just soak it with coconut milk for a couple hours before wrap that with banana leaves. So as you guys can see, I put also salt and let it set for a couple hours. So ayan, I went to get some shower, so change the clothes. So this is, now it's ready for wrapping. Ayan. So just I don't know how to call that in English, but ganyan po ang pagbalot ko with banana leaves. Ayan. So just put that in banana leaves, and after that, the wrapping with banana leaves, I'm going to put that in a big pot and boil it in the water. Boiled it with water. That way, to make it soft and tasty. So I'm almost done. Almost finished wrapping the sweet rice, and I'm going to put water. Ayan, there's water. That's how it looks like in the water, and then I bring it to boil. Ayan, papakuluan na po natin. Ayan. Tapos, hintayin natin na maluto. Tapos, ito na po, naluto na. The next day ko na yan, the next day ko na inopen or kakainin. Kasi, gabi ko yan niluto. So, now I'm making the pulot, the brown sugar and coconut milk. So I'm making it. That's the dip or the sauce for the sweet rice that I made with banana leaves. Ayan, napakasarap po nito mga kamanskin. Very tasty. Very yummy for me. It's been a long time I haven't eat this one. So, ayan, masarap na po tingnan ang ating sauce or dip. Pulot po, pulot ang tawag ko dyan. Ayan. So, that's the sauce. Very yummy it looks. That's how it looks like. So, this is it, guys. Look. Looks so yummy. Now we try it. Ayan, I put it in a bowl. And we can try now. Ayan, let's eat mga kamanskin. It's so yummy. Take a moment, like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can share my video to your friends and family. Ayan, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ayan na, tikman na natin ang tawag po sa Ilonggo nito is ibos. Ayan, ibos po ang tawag sa Ilonggo. Suman in Tagalog. Ayan, napakasarap po. Puto maya. Puto maya po ang tawag sa Tagalog and Bisaya. Yan, puto maya. Napakasarap po. Halina kayo, kain tayo. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking pagkain. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. This time I try it with mango, a very sweet mango. This is the really partner of this one, and if you have the hot choco, it's good too. Mango, the puto maya, and hot chocolate, or sikwati and Bisaya. Ayan, napakasarap po na partner ito. Ayan, so tikman natin with mango and pulot. Ayan, Diyos ko po, napakasarap. Ang dami kong nakain at busog na busog po ako after that. Ayan. Take a moment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Ayan po mga kamanskin. Gawa din po kayo ng ganito. Masarap po. Ayan. Marami pong mga dahon ng saging dyan sa inyo. Yung sa akin nga nabili ko pa yan sa, it's frozen. Frozen banana leaves. I bought that in the store. The Oriental store. So after eating those sweet rice with mango, here I am cleaning up the front yard. There's a lot of weeds, and I already sprayed that, but it doesn't come off. So I just wanna pull it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. To all my subscribers, thank you so much. To all my kababayan, maraming salamat po sa panunood. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. At I will see you in my next one. Magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod ko pang mga adventure. This is your Filipina Manskin signing out. Babu, I love you all. God bless.